Make money being a Discord moderator. There's so much opportunity in the world right now to make extra money, and never before in history has it been this easy, especially with our smartphones and computers. One opportunity used wisely can change your life drastically. So check out today's video on how you can make money being a Discord moderator. You're going to leave this video with plenty of instructions on how to get started. But before we get into it, please take a minute to show your support for the show by obliterating the like button and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's get into it. There is a massive demand for Discord moderators out there, be it for people just trying to build a community or business owners trying to launch and sell a product. The good news is that you don't need a bunch of technical knowledge to get started. Managing a Discord server consists of many things like keeping spammers and spam content out of the server, new members onboarding, maintaining already existing members and relationships, keeping the community upbeat and involved, answering questions, setting up community bots, creating server stats, creating leveling systems, adding recreational activities like games and memes, creating announcements for the server, running contests, creating and managing other channels within the server, and much more. Okay, so you're probably thinking it sounds good, but how much money can you make doing this? Well, that depends on you, primarily on the services you decide to provide, how many days of work you offer, and how many hours of work on the servers per day you offer. Obviously, the more you do, the more you can charge. And with any business, the idea is to always create and offer value to people. If you help others get what they want, you end up getting what you want too. So let's just say, for example, you go to Instagram and you find an NFT page that has followers, engagement, and actively creates revenue. You reach out to them offering your services mentioned earlier, 6-hour-a-day moderation, and for 30 days you could reasonably charge $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Let's take it a step further. How would you scale something like this? Well, you could start a Discord management agency. Okay, how would you do that? Let's say you find 3 clients willing to pay you $1,500 to $2,000 a month for a total of $4,500 to $6,000 a month to manage their Discords. You would then go to Fiverr or Upwork and find one person for each gig, so 3 people, and pay them, for example, $500 a month for each person to manage a server costing you only $1,500 a month to have someone else manage the server while you get paid and get more clients, leaving you with a profit of $3,000 to $4,500. Doesn't sound too bad, right? The more interesting thing is that there are people out there already who are doing this, be it on a smaller or much larger scale. You don't need to know everything to make money and be successful. You just have to put in consistent effort and push forward, despite the negativity you may get from your own mind or others. Finding opportunity is a matter of believing it's there. You can count on us here at Stacking Chips to continue providing you with the most valuable knowledge on how to get your money right. Please click that subscribe button and demolish that like button. See you next time.